morning children. In the previous class we have completed textbook for the chapter order of operations. In this class we are going to do the workbook for the same chapter order of operations. Today we are going to do page number 37 workbook first question. So the first question is match the column A with column B. Match the column A with column B. So you have to do the matching. So the first question is B stands for. And the second one O stands for. And the third one D stands for. And the fourth one M stands for. And A stands for. And the last one S stands for. Okay. The answers are given in the other side of the column. Those are, first one is into, second one minus, third one plus, fourth one brackets, different kinds of brackets, fifth one into, and sixth one is division. So you know the Bodmas rule. According to the Bodmas rule, B stands for what? B stands for brackets. So you have to put A here. O stands for off. Off means multiplication. O stands for off. Off means multiplication. Okay. D stands for what? D stands for division. So you have to put C here. D stands for division. So you have to put C here. And M stands for multiplication. So you have to put D here. Next, A stands for addition. So you have to put E here. And S stands for subtraction. So you have to put F here. So this is the matching. Did you understand, children? In Bodmas rule, B stands for bracket, O stands for off. Okay, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, and S stands for subtraction. B stands in Bodmas rule. B stands for bracket, O stands for off, which means multiplication, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. That we have done the form of matching. Okay, children, that we have done in the form of matching. Now let us move to the second question. Okay, children. The second question is simplify the following. The second question is simplify the following. Okay, children. In it we are having the A sum. The A sum is 5 plus 8 minus 10 by 5. So according to the Bodmas rule, first we have to do bracket, then we have to do off, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and at the last we have to do the subtraction. But here no brackets are there. So we have to start from division. So this is the division. So 5 plus 8 minus 10 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So you have to put the quotient here. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So you have to put the quotient here. After division you have to do multiplication. But multiplication is not given. Next you have to do addition. So addition is there. So let us add these two numbers. After multiplication, first you have to do the division and then you have to do the multiplication. So multiplication is not there. So you have to do the addition. 5 plus 8 is 13. 5 plus 8 is 13. And in the last, what you have to do? You have to do the subtraction. So 13 minus 2 is equal to 11. 13 minus 2 is equals to 11. Okay, children. Now let us do the B sum. Okay, children. Let us do the B sum. The B sum is 18 minus 6 plus 16 by 4. Here we are not having the brackets. So we have to start the sum from division. So we have to start doing the sum from the division. Since we are not having the brackets, we have to start the sum from the division. So here we are having the division. So 18 minus 6 plus, let us divide 16 by 4. 4 4s are 16. First we have to write the quotient here. So the quotient is 4, so we have to write the quotient here. After doing the division, we have to do the multiplication. But multiplication is not given, so we have to do the addition. For that, let us rearrange the numbers which are having addition symbol. So 4 is having addition symbol and 8 is having addition symbol. So I have written them in a line. Now I am going to add 18 plus 4. You all know that 18 plus 4 is 22. And 22 minus 6 is equals to 16. 22 minus 6 is equals to 16. Okay, children. Now let us do the third sum. So third question. What is the third question? The third question is simplify the following. Third question is also simplify the following. So let us do the A sum. So what is the A sum? 15 plus 6 into 3 minus 20. So according to the BODMAS rule, first we have to solve the bracket, terms in the bracket. But there is no terms which are in bracket. So we have to start from division. Division is also not given. So we have to start with multiplication. So let us multiply these two numbers. So first write down 15 plus 6 3s are how much? 6 3s are 18 minus 20. So since there are no terms in bracket, we have to start from division. But division is not given, so we have to start with multiplication. So here 6 3s are 18. So after multiplication, what we have to do? We have to do the addition. Already the numbers are rearranged. So let us add these two numbers. 15 plus 18. 15 plus 18 is equals to 33. 15 plus 18 is equals to 33. 33 minus 20. In the last, we have to do the subtraction. So 33 minus 20 is equals to 13. So the answer is 13. Okay, children. Now let us do the B sum. So what is the B sum? B sum is, B sum 6 plus 3 into 5 plus 4 minus 5. Okay, children, here also the terms with bracket is not given. Here also the terms with bracket is not given, so we have to start from division. But the terms with division is also not there, so we have to start with multiplication. So let us multiply these two numbers. 6 plus 3 5s are 15 plus 4 minus 5. After multiplication, you have to do the addition. Already the numbers are rearranged, so let us add them. Okay, children. 15 plus 6 plus 4 which is equals to 25. 15 plus 6 plus 4 is equal to 25. Okay children, 25 minus 5. Now you have to subtract 25 from 25, which is equals to 20. Which is equals to 20. Okay children. Now let us do the C sum. Okay children, let us do the C sum. So what is the C sum? 9 plus 2 into 5. Here the terms inside the bracket are given. So we have to solve the terms inside the bracket first. So according to the board marks, here the terms with brackets are given. So first you have to solve the terms inside the bracket according to the board marks rule. So first let us solve the terms inside the bracket. 9 plus 2 5s are how much? 10. 2 5s are 10. Then you have to do the addition. 9 plus 10 is equals to 90. Now let us do the D sum. Okay children. Here also terms with brackets are terms inside the brackets are given. So you have to solve the terms inside the bracket. So let us solve the terms inside the bracket. 10 plus 3 into 2 6 are how much? 2 6 are 12. Here there is no symbol between the bracket and the number, which means you have to off the brackets. When we have to off the bracket, you have to do the operation multiplication. Okay children? After brackets it is given off. So when there is no symbol between the bracket and the number and we have to take off the brackets, then we have to use the operation multiplication. So 10 plus 3 12s are 36. That is equals to 46. Did you understand children? Whenever there is no symbol given between the bracket and the number, you have to do the multiplication. Okay children? Now let us do the E sum. Let us do the E sum. Let us do the E sum. Board mass. 37 minus 4 into 3 divided by 4 plus 6. So here terms inside the bracket are given. So first you have to solve the terms inside the bracket according to the board mass rule. So first let us write down 37 minus 4 3s are 12 divided by 4 plus 6. So after that we have to do division. So according to the board mass rule, after that we have to do the division. So 37 minus 12 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 goes 3 times in 12. So you have to write down the quotient 3 here. Okay children? Plus 6. After division you have to do multiplication. But there are no terms which are having multiplication. So next you have to do the addition. For that you have to rearrange the numbers. 37 plus 6 minus 3. We have to rearrange the numbers which are having addition symbol. Now we have to add these two numbers. 37 plus 6. 6 plus 7 is equals to 13 and 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. That is equals to 43. And in the last we have to do the subtraction. So 43 minus 3 is equals to 40. 43 minus 3 is equals to 40. Okay children? Now let us do the F sum. Let us do the F sum. So what is the F sum? 50 minus 10, 4 minus 2 plus 6. According to the board mass rule, first we have to solve the terms inside the bracket. So 50 minus 10, 4 minus 2 is 2 plus 6. See children, here there is no symbol given between the number and the bracket, which means you have to take off the brackets. So for taking off the brackets, you have to do the multiplication. So 50 minus, here the operation is into. So 10 twos are 20 plus 6. So after that you have to rearrange. After taking off the brackets, you have to do the division, but there is no terms of division. Then you have to do the multiplication, but there are no terms of multiplication. So you have to do the addition. For doing the addition, you have to rearrange the numbers with the symbols having plus. Okay, 50 plus 6 minus 20. 50 plus 6 is 56 minus 20. That is equals to 36. 56 minus 20 is equals to 36. Okay, children. Now let us do the GSUM. Let us do the GSUM. Okay, children. Let us do the GSUM now. So what is the G question? 36 divided 4 brackets 5 minus 2 plus 6. According to the BODMAS rule, first you have to solve the terms inside the bracket. So 36 divided by 4, 5 minus 2 is 3 plus 6. Here there is no symbol between the number and the bracket, so you have to do the multiplication. So 36 divided 4 3s are 12 plus 6. Now you have to do the division. 36 divided 12. 12 goes 3 times in 36. So the answer is 3. So you have to write 3 here. Okay, children. In the last we have to do the addition. 3 plus 6 is how much? 3 plus 6 is 9. Okay, children. This is the way of solving the sums. Children, you do the H sum for homework. Okay, children. You do the H sum for homework. That's all for today's class. Okay, bye.